I'm going to be doing a review on the Sansui T18 wireless Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to be baselining it with a Altec Life Jacket IMW575 and a home stereo system. Right now we're listening to the Sansui. We switch over to the Altec. And the home entertainment system. "12" Sony drivers. This is just for a baseline. Sansui. Altec. Home entertainment. Altec. Sansui. Sansui. Now the volumes are as high as they can go on devices, and I've moderated the amount of bass going into all the devices so they're all capable of handling the highest bass volume. The Sansui can get louder in midtones and in highs, but this is pretty much it for how much bass it can put out. Altec. Home entertainment. Altec, or I'm sorry, Sansui. Altec. It's almost an advertisement for Altec, but it's $100 for that one. Home entertainment. Sansui. The Sansui is only $25. The Sansui only has a Chinese manual, a user manual, not in English, and the mode selection is also in Chinese. For $25, it's not. I don't think it'll be a deal breaker for. I don't know. It's not that hard to put it in English, but it's not a deal breaker for me. But I would have preferred to be in English. This is the radio mode, so if you want to scan in radio mode, you give the mode button a short press, and it goes into scan mode. It starts to scan for FM channels, and when it gets done scanning, you can select your FM radio by pressing a short tap on the up or down volume buttons. If I had FM reception, which I don't, I'm in the mountains, in the valley, and no reception for FM. but that would be your channel selection. A short press on the volume buttons. A long press on the volume buttons is volume in radio mode. Long press on the mode button is mode. Okay, that pretty much concludes the audio test for the Sansui T18. It's a pretty decent unit if you don't really need a lot. It's only $25. It's adequate. It does its job.